we are going to learn about arrays in Java. So in mathematics we have we want to take collection of numbers. Generally we have a set theory. So similarly in Java we can use arrays as a fundamental concept to replicate the same set theory whatever we are going to learn in mathematics. We can do union, intersection, all those things. Let's understand what is array and then how to take a collection of elements, collection of numbers in Java. I'm just creating new package. Okay, under the package arrays I'm just taking a class array ex. So I have created a class called ArrayEx. So every Java class must and should have a main method so that we can start the execution. Okay. Now inside this I want to create an array. So to create an array, assume that I want to create, I want to collect a couple of integers. Okay. Then what I have to do is I need to take int ar is equal to open curly brace and close curly brace and take the numbers. Okay, now assume that I want to replace in I want to print, okay, what is there in the, so in this particular array will be represented with a name called arr, and then it has index. So number 10 is in 0 index and number 20 is in first index, number 30 is in second index. There are total 3 numbers. The length of the array is 3. So we can see that. Okay, let's print what is the length of this array. Arr dot, okay, when we say length, okay, we will get what is the length of this particular array. I'm just running this. Okay, so the length of the array is 3. Okay, so now suppose I want to print the first element in the array. So what I have to do is I'll just say s out, okay, arr of 0. So that means in the 0 index whatever it is there, so that will be printed. In case if I want arr of first index, I have to say arr of 1. So just execute this program. Okay, so we will see length is 3. Okay, and then in the 0th index 10 is there, and then in the first index we have a number 20. Okay, so now assume that like if we want to change the value in that particular location, suppose in the 0th location I want to replace 10 with okay 90. What I have to do is, so 90 I have to use the assignment operator to assign to the 0th location. Suppose I want to replace in the first location with the value 70. Okay, then I have to 70. Okay, now if I print, okay, s out arr of 0, okay, and then sys out arr of 1 and run this program. Okay, now if you see after this line, okay, if you print the value, it is showing in the 0th location we have 90 and the first location we have 70 as the values. Okay, so now instead of printing like this, if I have 100 values, I need not to do this way. So I can simply say x arr s out of x. Okay, so now it will print all the numbers which are there in the array. Okay, so it will print all the numbers, okay, whichever is there. So I just comment all these things so that we can see only the values printed through, okay, for loop. Okay, I'm just running the same program. Yeah, 90, 70, 30, because 0th location I assigned 90, first location I assigned 70, and then last index 30 is there. So that is how array works in Java. It's Thank you for listening.